Hello everyone, welcome to NSN's YouTube channel National Skills Network. We hope all of you are staying at home and keeping safe. Today, me, Sahitya, and my colleague Pratyusha, we will be talking about a very important industry sector, that is logistics. In this video, we will be covering different aspects of logistics industry, like the skills required to get into this field of logistics, what are the career opportunities, what are the different job roles that one can get into, among others. So without much delay, let's get into the topic. But before we do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to not miss any such interesting videos in the future. As we all are aware, the logistics industry plays a very important role in delivering goods and services and in keeping countries' economy on the move. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the logistics industry got transformed from a supporting service to an essential service.
India's logistic industry provides a livelihood for about 22 million people in the country, which is expected to grow in the next couple of years. According to a recent report from Logistic Management, UPS hired 39,000 new employees in the early 2020 and plan to make more than 1 lakh seasonal hires towards the end of the year. FedEx reported adding 70,000 new employees for the holiday season and is also encouraging weekend deliveries. E-commerce has especially outgrown the other players in the logistic industry. As the pandemic has further accelerated the use of e-commerce platforms, the number of global e-commerce users is expected to increase by 400 million in the coming year.
Now, as we understand the huge growth potential of the logistics industry, I would like to give you 5 reasons that why you should consider logistics as a career option. 5 reasons why you should consider a career in logistics. Firstly, it has remarkable growth opportunities. The logistics industry offers a wide spectrum of positions, and each and every job role, each and every position in logistics is dynamic and gives a huge growth potential. A career in logistics will help you in harnessing your potential, which will not only help you in your current job role, but also will help you move to higher positions in your career. Next is exposure to international business. If you're someone who is interested in international business, then let me tell you, logistics is your way to go. Logistics industry is continuously growing and plays a crucial role in the global business. Many domestic companies have also collaborated with international companies, which means the logistics industry proves to be an excellent gateway to the global business. The logistics industry has jobs for everyone. If you're young or old, or if you're a newbie or the new entrant into the industry, or if you're an established professional, the logistics industry does have a wide spectrum of jobs. Logistics industry has these wide and diverse spectrum of jobs as it is the industry which has 11 subsectors under it, like for example, transportation, warehousing, operations, IT, and customer services. Jobs in this industry range are technical, mechanical, analytical in nature. So, from a truck driver to an operations manager, you can be anything that you want to. Logistics industry will also help you in nurturing your entrepreneurial skills. The logistics industry hones your skills like creativity, communication, time management, and strategic thinking. All of these are very crucial for the success of an entrepreneur. Logistics industry not only provides jobs for everyone, but also has huge entrepreneurial potential. Increasing demand in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. The logistics industry has now spread its wings to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. There is a demand for transportation and warehousing services which are extended to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. E-commerce is another major element which has gained immense popularity for logistics industry in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities.
Now let us look at the 5 must-have skills in the logistic industry. If you wish to launch a career in the logistic industry, then you must have the below mentioned 5 skills: adaptability, problem solving, project management, detail oriented, and teamwork. Adaptability skill. As we know, change is the only constant. And with the constant disruption of technology and the quick adoption of e commerce, you have to quickly adapt to the changes and you must upskill and reskill to meet the current industry demand. Problem solving. While working in the logistic industry, you may encounter many problems, but you have to stay calm you have to stay calm and you have to come up with quick solutions to solve those problems. So problem solving skill is a crucial skill in the logistic industry. Project management. While working in an industry, there will be many projects which you have to work on. So during those times you have to be very organized. You have to be organized about your resources, your time management and everything. So you must have the project management skill. And you have to be detail oriented. You cannot miss out a single detail, otherwise you cannot satisfy your customer. Teamwork. While working in an industry, there will be many people who will be working with you. So you must work as a team and you must be a team player. So these skills are essential if you want to explore a career in the logistic industry. And you do not have to be born with these skills. You can learn these skills with a little bit of mindfulness and continuous practice. We have a dedicated page where we have listed most of the employability skills, for which we'll leave the link in the description box below. Do not forget to check that out.
Now let us talk about the technology in logistics industry. The Indian logistics market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 10.7% between 2020 and 2024. And many brands and companies are only boosting this growth by leveraging on the cutting edge technologies. So, what are these cutting edge technologies? Technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things have proven to be groundbreaking in the traditional logistics operation in the country. As I just said, with e-commerce penetrating into tier 2 and tier 3 cities and number of businesses shifting to online selling, they have increased the demand for efficient logistics services over the past few years. This has also been a major push for automation, resource optimization, digitization, and adoption of best practices. With advancements of technology, the adoption of digital tools and automation, the logistics industry would need highly skilled workforce and skilled manpower. Now, as we know that the industry needs highly skilled manpower and skilled workforce, let us now understand from Pratyusha that what are some of the in-demand job roles in the logistics industry.
Now let us talk about the opportunities and few in-demand job roles in the logistic industry. So, before moving to the in demand job roles, let us see some statistics which might convince you to start to launch a career in the logistic industry. So, as per an assessment by NSDC, the logistics sector is one of the 5 top employment generating sectors in the post COVID economy in India. It is estimated to be a 200 billion US dollar industry with a contribution of over 14% to India's GDP. There are 3 types of logistics: freight services, courier services, and warehousing services. Broadly, some of the job roles a student can get into are packaging, warehousing, fulfillment, and distribution. The industry comprises activities like storage, freight management, supply chain management, managing vendors and partners, transportation, handling damage claims, and much more. With constant technological disruption and the current scenario, let us now look at the most in demand job roles in 2021. So, the in demand job roles are AI professional, data analyst, delivery agent, and warehousing manager. So all the 4 job roles are currently in demand. If you wish to know more about the job roles, you can write to us at our email ID. Apart from these job roles, the logistics sector also offers a wide variety of jobs under six major subsectors, which are warehousing, inventory, transportation, material handling, packaging, and inventory flow. The jobs offered by the industry range from a primal level position like truck drivers to a subsequent level position like managers. Logistics sector without a doubt is one of the top employment generator of the country. Industry is constantly in search of people with the right skills. So to bridge the skill gap and to provide skilled workforce to the industry, Logistics Sector Skill Council is working towards building a sustainable skill ecosystem aligned to the industry needs. Logistics Sector Skill Council is continuously monitoring this training delivery to ensure industry readiness of the candidates and improving the national occupational standards curriculum and content. The Sector Skill Council has developed the best occupational standards and is continuously delivering quality training to increase the dignity of labor. If you wish to build a career in the logistic industry, then you can choose from the wide range of job roles available as per your convenience. However, to do so, you must first build the required skill set. If the logistic industry is your dream, then start building the right expertise to get into it. With this, we have reached to the end of our presentation. We hope our presentation on the logistic industry, skills, training, and careers was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching our presentation, and if you have found it useful, then do not forget to share it with your friends and family. And before signing off, we would like to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and do not forget to press that bell icon next to it to never miss an update from us.